Hi there, I'm Zarek Sivuki, author of TradingView Alert Connector tool. This is a tutorial video and I'm going to explain what this tool is and how to run the tool for GMX V2. And this tool is a free and self-hosted non-custodial tool for you to integrate TradingView Alert and execute automated trade for GMX. This means that you can easily build and run a trading bot empowered by TradingView powerful alerting functions. I assume most listeners already know GMX and TradingView itself, so I don't explain them in detail in this video, and I will mainly focusing on how to set up the tool in this video. To run this tool, there are three requirements. The first one is computing machine, which can be a cloud service or your local PC to host this tool that has a stable internet connection. In this video, I'll show how to host it on render.com. The second one is TradingView account, at least the Pro plan, because this tool utilizes a webhook notification to send alerts from TradingView. So a basic and free plan is not enough to run this tool. Lastly, your wallet account with collateral is already in place in GMX. By default, it uses native USDC token as collateral, but you can specify other tokens too. I also strongly recommend creating and using an exclusive new account for running your trading bot, not only to enhance your security, but also to track your trading performance easily. Of course, this tool does not guarantee your future profit, and you have to use this tool as your responsibility. So let's get started setting up the tool. In this guide, we host on render.com, which is not expensive and friendly for non-developer. With render.com, we can set up our server without touching terminal or editor. So go to render.com, and after you have done registration, you can see this dashboard page. So click this new and web service button and click this build and deploy from Git repository and hit next. And regarding this connect to a repository, please put this GitHub URL here and click connect and input your unique name, whatever you want for this name field, and leave the other part as it is. And after adding your payment information, select this starter plan here, and please click this add from .m button and paste this GMX V2 template. So all you need to do is exporting your wallet account private key from your wallet, for example MetaMask, and paste it here, and also specify leverage here. So I put, let's say, 2, and click this add variable, and then click this advanced button and click add disk here. So we need this disk because this to store storage data as JSON file and also export all the history data as CSV file. So input whatever name you want here. My disk and mount path must be this one /app/data, and click this. The size 1 GB is enough for size. And at this auto deploy field, if we set it to yes, render.com automatically deploys changes to your service when a new code is uploaded to this GitHub repository. I recommend setting them to no because it's safer and we can also deploy manually. and hit this create web service button. Then render.com start deployment, so please wait until it's done. Also, in addition, I highly recommend setting up two-factor authentication on render.com to enhance your security. Then we're gonna set an alert in TradingView. And this video is an example. We're gonna run this Bollinger Band strategy for BTC, and time interval is 30 minutes. And alert message you set on TradingView must be JSON format, and it's the same format as described here. So I have built a tool so that you can generate correct alert message easily and with no mistake. So in this front-end app, please click GMX B2 in exchange, and for trading strategy, please put whatever you want, like BTC test, and market is BTC. And regarding order size and order size USD, I want to specify in USD. So let's say $1,000. And this is reverse order strategy is a bit complicated but important parameter. So check on if this strategy takes opposite position on each trade and always has a long short position. For example, this Bollinger Band strategy is a reverse order strategy because on each trade, this strategy not only close current position, but also at the same time, it takes opposite positions. So this means this strategy always has a long or short position. So we have to check this on here. And then click this generate button. And then click this copy to clipboard button and go to the TradingView website and click this add alert button and remove this original message and paste the generated message here. And on notification tab, please put your webhook URL. It's the generated one on your render.com, like this, and click create button. Yeah, that's it. So now we have all done set up to run trading bot for GMX. So again, this tool does not guarantee your future profit, and you have to use it with your responsibility. But TradingView strategy and alert function are really powerful, and your possibility is endless. I believe this tool can help your daily trading. If you have questions or need any help, please DM me on Discord or Twitter. Thanks.